here at the Clifton Gorge here in Clifton, Ohio, near Yellow Springs, just down the road. I've been there recently. I have a video of me going to the same place I'm going today. Today is a rainy day, and I really wanted to just see if I could get a clip of the waterfall. So the river is running pretty good. I'm gonna go up along on the upper path here. Back here, just as a reminder in case anybody's following along or knows the area, Bear's Den, the ODNR there, and this is like a little sitting, resting area or outlook, I guess. This little creek right here is actually just a drainage that runs down only when it rains, so the waterfall is not always here. So that's what we're looking at right here. Here's the waterfall. Another quickie clip here of the path that I came from. And then you'll notice here, this goes down and heads back up. I'm gonna go down and keep going down. There's a pathway right here that goes down to the water edge. That's where I'm heading. Gonna head up out of here now. Got down to the fall and took in a little bit of time here in nature. Just about to walk up out of here. Just wanted to show you that. If I look over this way, oh, I can't zoom in this mode. Sorry about my fingers getting in the way. But anyway, yeah, that's going up the hill there. I'll take another shot of it here with a better photo version. So back winded, as you can hear, top of the trail. So you see the sign there points to the Narrows. That's because you can follow this trail and go all the way to Clifton Mill. And then down that way, heads back sort of towards Yellow Springs. And there's the Bear Den. And now I'm going to leave. Thank you for watching.